Does your current SEO strategy for your affiliate marketing website deliver the results you desire? If not, it's time to delve deeper, starting with crawling your site to uncover potential issues that could be hindering your search engine rankings. Introducing a simple step-by-step guide to help you grasp the essentials of website crawling and enhance your SEO game. Step 1. Choose your weapon, that is, the most suitable crawling tool for your site. Beginners might find comfort in the user-friendly and free Google Search Console, which offers direct insights from the search engine giant itself. If your site is larger, Screaming Frog provides a detailed analysis of URL issues and immediate site audits. Meanwhile, Ahrefs, with its in-depth SEO metrics and health reports, is a worthy choice for those willing to opt for a subscription-based tool. Once you've crawled your website, Step 2 involves analyzing the crawl data. Look out for glaring issues such as broken links or 404 errors, improper redirects, slow loading times, and duplicate content. Each of these problems could negatively impact your SEO and user experience. Step 3. It's time to roll up your sleeves and fix the SEO issues. Prioritize the fixes based on their potential impact on your site's performance. Address critical errors first, enhance load times, and ensure your content is original and well-structured. In Step 4, after implementing the necessary changes, it's time to recrawl your site. This ensures that all issues have been resolved and your site remains optimized as you add new content and expand your affiliate offerings. Lastly, Step 5 involves monitoring and adjusting your strategies based on your site's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics in conjunction with Google Search Console to track your site's progress over time. Got your notepad filled with notes? Great, but the learning doesn't stop here. Consider these book recommendations to further enhance your SEO knowledge. SEO 2022 by Adam Clark, The Art of SEO by Eric Enge, Stephen Spencer, and Jesse Stricchiola, and SEO for Dummies by Peter Kent. By following this guide and continuously educating yourself, you'll be on your way to boosting your website's SEO, ensuring better visibility, and ultimately increasing your affiliate revenue. Remember, regular updates and continuous learning are key to staying ahead in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. So, are you ready to skyrocket your affiliate marketing success? If so, make sure to follow for more insider SEO tips and tricks. Here's to boosting your site's traffic together.